In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save photo as PNG file in Leonardo AI Mobile. If you want to save one of your images as a PNG file directly from the Leonardo AI mobile app, the process is very quick and easy. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To get started, open the Leonardo AI app on your mobile device. Make sure the app is fully loaded so all of your options appear properly on the screen. Once you're inside the app, look for the library section and tap on it. This is where your generated or saved images are stored, so it's the place you'll need to go anytime you want to access your previous creations. After you open the library, browse through your images and choose the one you want to save. Tap on the image to select it. It helps to make sure you're opening the correct version before downloading, especially if you have several similar images in your gallery. Once the image is open, look for the download icon. Tap that icon, and the image will begin downloading automatically as a PNG file. In most cases, the download should only take a moment, depending on your device and connection speed. After the download finishes, you can usually find the PNG image in your phone's Downloads folder, Gallery, or Photos app, depending on how your device handles saved files. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment and check your default download location. And that's all it takes. Open the Leonardo AI app, go to your library, select the image you want, and tap the download icon to save it as a PNG file. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.